Hi everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to send a Teams meeting invite in Outlook in 2026. Outlook and Teams are fully connected now, so creating an online meeting only takes a few clicks. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open Outlook. Now simply log in into your Outlook account if you haven't already. Over here in the left hand side you will see this calendar tab, so you just have to click on it. Now here on the top, you are going to see the option of new event. When you click on the drop down menu right next to it, you are going to see the option of creating a new meeting. If you don't see that option here, you can also click anywhere on this calendar, and now it is going to show you this type of meeting or event pop-up in front of you. Now, when you click on it, Outlook will add the Teams link, dial in details and meeting ID automatically. If you are using the new Outlook, the Teams toggle appears at the top of the event window. So if you see that, you just have to turn it on and Outlook will attach a Teams link instantly. Now you need to start filling out these details over here. You just have to add the meeting title, then you need to choose the date and the time. Afterwards, you just have to enter the email address of the people whom you want to invite by clicking on the invite attendees option. If you want people to join from the phone, you can open the meeting options section and make sure that the dial-in details are enabled. Now you can also add the agenda of this meeting. If you want to attach any files, you can also do it. So once you are done, simply click on the option of save. Now all the recipients will receive a calendar invitation with a join Teams meeting link. When they click on it, Teams will open automatically and connect them to the meeting. If the Teams button is missing, you can just simply check the Teams add-on under Outlook settings and make sure that it is enabled. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.